Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is my second video for today. Let's get into XYO. This is a cryptocurrency that nobody's speaking about, but it's up like 50% in the last 24, 48 hours. This is insane. Let's get into that and some updates with XRP and my crypto portfolio and what I'm definitely buying this weekend. Stick around. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Anthony here. Video number 2 for today, the 6th of August 2021, guys. Just wanted to say again, thank you very much to every single one of you up here who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about financial freedom and building generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey, and if everyone could smash that like button down here, I would really appreciate it, and it would help this channel a lot. So thank you very much. Little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence before jumping into any of this stuff. It can be extremely risky and volatile. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Do your own research. Jump on websites, Masari.io, Lunacrush, Reddit, Medium, TikTok. They're all there, all the social media platforms. Get confident. It's in the palm of your hand and it's free. It doesn't cost anything, all right? Before jumping into this stuff. And me personally, a golden rule, I only invest when I can afford to lose. That is number one for me. All right, now that the formalities are out of the way, I did put a community tab post up here, and I'm just going to quickly have a look at this. How long have you been invested in cryptos? 63% of you said in the last year, which is awesome. 13% said 2 years, 8% said 3 years, 14% said 4 years, 3% have been invested longer than that. So they've got some veterans here, guys, some really long-term investors. So that's awesome. Really cool stuff, just fascinating. But today's video is going to be basically on XYO. This cryptocurrency is insane. But just quickly before I get into that, I'm going to show you my, obviously the Australian cryptocurrency market here on CoinSpot. There is a link below. Feel free to use the link below if you want $10 in Bitcoin. We both can get that. Who doesn't want $10 in Bitcoin? So check this out. Bitcoin is up 2.14% today, 55,000 AUD, which is awesome to see. That obviously has a major effect throughout the rest of the market. Ethereum is up 3.24%, $3,900. Unbelievable stuff, guys. BNB is up 0.59% to $468. Cardano, a great buying opportunity. There's some awesome stuff happening with ADA. Definitely going to do a video on this. $1.91 today. XRP, one of my favorite projects, guys. I've said in my last video, $17,500 would be a price prediction for this in a few years, and I see this definitely hitting that in the long term. This is long term, not short term, guys. So there's nothing that can stop this project from hitting that. Definitely, never say never with cryptos. You never know over long term. All right, so Theta is up 15.24% to $9.74. XLM is up 0.27% to 38 cents. VeChain, one I'm bullish on as well, guys, is up to 1.99% is up to 12 cents. That is incredible. Let's keep scrolling down here quickly. BTT is up as well, 11.33%. Hedera HBAR is up 0.87%. Keep scrolling down, guys. Let's quickly have a look here. I just want to get XDC is down 3.06% to 10 cents. So, guys, these are some of the projects on CoinSpot here. This is Australian dollars, by the way, for those of you who want to know. This is not US dollars, and I'll show you TradingView, which does have some USD currency on there. So today's video is going to be on XYO. I've been bullish on this project. Everyone knows this. I've done a few videos on this in the past. I've seen some returns in the last couple of days. I just don't know what's happened here. I've just been seeing the green, which is incredible. It is down 0.38% in the last hour. Not worried about that. It is definitely above a cent now, which is awesome. 24 hours, it is up 5.32%. There you can see that green. In the last 7 days, it is up 49.77%, which is ridiculous. In the last 30 days, it is up 72.61%. Last 90 days, 90.18%, guys. So I'm not going to get into the year because it's just ridiculous. Great project, incredible technology, guys, and I'll show you their website in a second. The market cap is sitting at just under, here we go, here, 0.167 billion. Circulating supply is 12.8 billion. XYO total is 13.9 billion XYO. Trading volume has been $5.7 million in the last 24 hours. So there are people buying this cryptocurrency. For sure, who doesn't want to miss out on this? Obviously, do your own research with this stuff, guys, but it's incredible. There's new features on this, obviously coin market cap here, so I'm just getting used to this new app. But anyway, all right, so that's it there. So let's go to their website because they've got some case studies here. This is what XYO technology is basically like. It's very similar to VeChain. All right, so you think of it like supply chain management, basically. So case studies. So check this out. Keep scrolling down. So this is what it'll be potentially used for. Airports. One of the largest fears of airline traveler faces having their luggage lost or stolen. Accounting for all baggage moving through TSA checkpoints, gates, airplanes is important not only for travelers' peace of mind but overall safety and security of airports as a whole. The XYO network can provide independently verified location data that can help minimize luggage mishandling and can ultimately save travelers and airport staff time and money spent trying to track down missing baggage. Who doesn't want that? Touch wood, that hasn't happened to me for a while, but anyway. Hospitals, for medical equipment to identification of both patient and staff, and single misplacement and mistake could mean the difference between life and death. The XYO network can provide trustless, verified location reporting that is critical in such a sensitive environment. The feasibility of error reduction and increased efficiency in hospitals is made possible with the XYO network's unique blockchain technology. The implications could reduce prescription dosage errors, prevent unnecessary procedures, and ultimately save lives. This is incredible, guys. E-commerce, the XYO network incentivizes the reporting of locations and archiving of ledgers by awarding XYO tokens to nodes within the web. For example, when a last mile courier like UPS driver encounters an XYO network node on their route, the node will record the XYO network ledger to be archived, leveraging cryptonomics in a way that takes advantage of a key feature of blockchain technology. This means it can offer third-party verification and degree of reliability that current tracking systems simply can't provide. This is why I was saying it's very similar to VeChain in terms of supply chain sort of management, that similar type of realm, guys. So insurance, from mobile phones to sports cars, owned assets, the roam around on regular basis are prime candidates to be covered under loss and theft protection insurance. The XYO network can report an insured item's location. How good is that? By providing independently verified and trustless location data. Again, the ability to recover an item that has been reported lost or stolen satisfies the insured party, and the ability to locate such an item in the case of falsely reported claim protects the insurer from fraud. The XYO network's blockchain technology thusly gives both the insurer and insuree access to the same verified data and ultimately establish the unprecedented accountability for both parties. Look at this stuff. There's some stuff here to do with national security. This is incredible. I'm not going to read this, but in the presence of government regulated, you can read that there. In establishments are strictly prohibited, fundamentally introduces the considerable risk, tightly controlled security, and imperative at major transportation hubs where traffic volume is high and potential dangers are inherently evident. The XYO can confirm. Have a read of that, guys. It's incredible. Exactly where is it intended to be by reporting independently verified and trustless location data through blockchain technology. The XYO network is able to provide unparalleled element of safety and accountability. That is incredible. Have a read of this, guys. Jump on their website. Really cool stuff. Rental cars. Check this out. There are many businesses whose main source of revenue comes from offering rental goods. Being able to track location of rental goods, especially important to order, reduce the replacement cost of lost or stolen items. Obviously, with rental cars, it will be huge. Drones. So that's just an incredible project, guys. There's so much utility for this project, and they've already got incredible partners. And I'll show you this now. Check this out. So if I go to, there was a feature here down here somewhere, so I'm just going to quickly scroll down. Partners, check this out. Scroll down here, Cass Smart City, Chainlink, check this out. You've got all these partners here, these incredible partners. You've got FedEx here, which is insane. Harmony, this is incredible here. Keep going down. Look at this, guys. Microsoft Partner Network. They're partnered with Microsoft. That is insane, guys. Really crazy stuff. Remax as well, big company. Incredible partners here, guys. Just a real hidden gem. I don't know why anyone is not talking about this. Honestly, I haven't heard anything on YouTube or anything like that. It's unbelievable. I'm definitely invested in this. And obviously, it is partnered up with Coin. This is an app that I've been using for years now. You should drive around or walk, wherever it may be. You can mine the coin, crypto coin. You can then, obviously, once you build up to a level of I think it's like 10,000 coin, you can trade this in for XYO cryptocurrency. Haven't had that happen to me yet, but obviously it's pending, so you can have a look at this as well. Just a really cool project, guys, and obviously the returns have been ridiculous. Obviously, I'll get into TradingView now so we can have a look at this quickly. Where are we here? XYO, here it is, ETH. Just going to quickly open this. So it is, obviously this is Ethereum here, so this is how I bought XYO on KuCoin using Ethereum or Bitcoin, whatever you wish. Obviously I've used Ethereum. So you can see here it's that awesome upturn here in August there, the green. This is what I'm saying, it's just gone to the moon, and I just find it fascinating that no one's actually talking about it. Nevertheless, you can see those green candles there, positive stuff, guys, with XYO. Check it out, do your own research, be very careful, all right? So other than that, guys, in terms of XRP updates today, obviously I did my last video the other day. I set a price prediction I've read online of 17,500, which is insane. Yes, a lot of people thought I was crazy and I'm dreaming. I know a lot of people said that about Bitcoin as well, but there's not much happening in terms of the XRP update. So SEC versus Ripple, CEO Brad Garlinghouse seeks info on XRP sales from Binance. The SEC's failure to allege domestic offers and sales should be fatal to its claims for the reasons set out in the motions to dismiss. So this case is still ongoing. I'm still keeping a very close eye on what's happening here with XRP. And, you know, I have said it all along. I strongly believe the case will settle. The piece of paper will get leaked by someone who works in the organization, and therefore, you know, the case will be settled behind closed doors. But it is pending. Obviously, we don't know if this thing's going to go to trial because the SEC has obviously appointed a trial lawyer. So, well, who knows what's going in with this case at the moment. Obviously, here you can see here the SEC alleged that Ripple sold more than 357 million units of XRP to public investors on the market. And they're saying it's securities. So here we go. Mr. Garlinghouse seeks a foreign discovery on the basis on his good faith belief that the listed entity possesses unique documents and information concerning this case, and specifically concerning the process by which transactions of XRP allegedly conducted by Mr. Garlinghouse on foreign digital assets trading platforms were conducted. All right, let's look at my portfolio today, guys. Just quickly, XRP is down 5.63% today. XDC is down 10.21%. You got VeChain here that is down. Is actually up 4.25%, which is great. Tron is actually up 11.15%. Theta Fuel is down 6.89%. Theta is up 12.78%, guys. That is insane. Talcoin is down 13.12%. Stellar XLM is down 2.22%. Seacoin is up 14.06%. Shiba Inu is down 5.26%. Holo is up 1.17%. Hedera is up 2.85%. Doge is down 5.58%. Definitely not buying any more Doge for the moment. Digibyte is up 12.53%. Cardano is up 3.82%, which is great. BTT is up 24.74%, which is insane. ANKR is up 13.26%. So guys, really interesting stuff across the portfolio today. But again, as I said, my main video today was to give an update on XYO, because I tell you, this crypto is insane and it is a hidden gem. So let me know in the comments below what you think about XYO. Are you holding it? Are you interested in getting into it? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it. All right, stay safe out there, guys. Happy investing. Peace. Bye.